Hello, today's topic is SMC tool radius correction function block. This is one of those pre-processing function block dedicated for correcting a path based on diameter or better radius of your tool used typically in some kind of a grinder. First of all, we will use a new CNC file and here it is. You start tool correction with G41 or G42 depending on the side of the path. G41 is for the left, G42 is for the right side of the path, and you stop it with G40. I copy paste the content of this tool CNC file into the editor that you just see how our CNC file looks like, and we will additionally see this in our path visu. Next thing is that you need to define the radius, and we say the radius is 1. Now let's close and go to next changes. Additionally, we changed immediately that we are using this tool.cnc file in our path visu, and also in PLC program for our path visu tracking. So that's the blue line what you will see in a path, which in previous videos was really small. We increased the buffer to increase the size or the length of this line by 50 times. So now the buffer is 5000 points. Okay, so before we begin, we need to create an instance, create also the buffer, call the instance, make a visualization, and then we will simulate. Let's log in. Run. Let's go to multi-axis control. First, enable our drives. Set position. Then we go to CNC. _CNC. tool.cnc. So we enable read file, interpreter, tool radius, check velocities, path. Let's minimize a bit, and we execute our interpolator. Let's go to the path, and now you see the blue line starts, and immediately you will see how tool correction works. So path is moved by radius of 1. So that's it, how you use the tool correction. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.